Добре дошли в Джобърг, Тамбо International Airport. Вече доста пъти съм кацал и ездител от тук. Поне 5-6, поне и повече. Това е най-голямото летище, естествено, в Южна Африка. До тук летят и всички големи международни компании.
Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Johannesburg OR Tambo International Airport. On behalf of Captain Quintin Dilo, First Officer Rose, South African Airways, a proud member of the London Network, and I would like to thank you for flying South African Airways. We trust that you have enjoyed the flight with us. We look forward to seeing you again. Wish you all a proudly South African goodbye. Amanegase and the dots.